Hello students, a very warm day everyone. This is your Valli addressing from SLVM School Chekapatnagaram dealing with the subject English. So children, in the previous video we discussed about the lesson the song of songs section 1. So that we discussed about three characters mainly. The first one is Santa Haridas, second one is Tansen, and the third one is Akbar. So at last the conclusion of the section 1, what we have discussed is Santa Haridas is opposed to sing songs while the request of his favorite persons, his family members, and Tansen and Akbar. Santa Haridas opposed to sing. So in this video we are going to discuss about the deep of the lesson. Okay children, look at the video clearly. He is Santa Haridas. He is Santa Haridas and he is Tansen. And who is he then? Akbar. Okay, the old man is Santa Haridas. Tansen, the person who is carrying Tanpura is Tansen. He is the Emperor Akbar. Okay children, so they are on music sittings. Okay children, now I am moving to the lesson. Section 2. Okay. Yes. Section 2. However, Tansen know how to get sound him of all the rest of the people who are always trying to sing songs. Sing by Santa Haridas. But he is refused to sing songs. But as a musical student of Santa Haridas, Tansen know how to make him sing. Okay, he offered to sing before his guru. Okay, what did Tansen do? Tansen tried to sing before his guru Santa Haridas, and then as he sang, he made a deliberate mistake. Okay, what he has to do? Tansen started singing, and while singing the songs, he made a mistake. He is making a mistake, but still he is thinking and he planned that he has to make a mistake. He is singing on a wrong note, but still he is singing the wrong notes. Why he is singing? And see next what will happen. That's not the right note. Tansen cried his teacher amazed. Then Santa Haridas talked with Tansen. That's not the right note. What happened to you? Why are you singing wrong notes? Just like this, Santa Haridas cried and talking to Tansen. Tansen pretended not to understand his teacher and made the same mistake again. But again Tansen started singing and made the same mistake. Exasperated. Okay. Santa Haridas took the Tanpura from Tansen's hands and sang the right note. Then he went to the next and the next. Then suddenly what will happen? This is the moment they are expecting. This is the moment they want. Suddenly Santa Haridas taken the Tanpura from the hand of Tansen and started singing. He's singing still. He is singing continuously. The melody of his voice spread across the forest. Santa Haridas is living on the forest. The melody, the beautiness, the sweetness of the voice, the sweetness on Santa Haridas' voice spread all over the forest. Like the first glimmer of dawn and the fragrance of jasmine. Like when the jasmine flowers are starting at the very starting time, you may get beautiful fragrance, beautiful smell. Just like that, the smell of beautiful music spread all over the forest. Okay, both Akbar and Tansen listened to him as hypnotized. Okay, the emperor realized that Tansen had spoken the truth. Okay, while listening the music of Santa Haridas, they forget everything. Akbar and Tansen forget the rest of the things. Just they are enjoying, they are hypnotized, they are fully concentrated on music. And finally, Akbar realized that yes, what Tansen said is exactly true. He is far better than Tansen. He had not known that music could be so heavenly. He had certainly never heard anything like it before. And Akbar did not hear this type of beautiful voice never before. So Santaharda's voice is eventually heavenly possible. It's like a heaven. As they walked back, and after completion of these musical sittings, Akbar and Tansen went back. The emperor suddenly broke the silence to ask Tansen, "Why can't you sing like him, Ustadji?" Then, firstly, Tansen, what did he said? You have the wonderful voice in the world. Then, what did Tansen refused that no, someone is far better than. But while listening these words also, what did Akbar said? No, you have the beautiful words. But after listening these musical sittings of Santahardas, the opinion of Akbar changed. While they returning back from Santaharda's house to the court, they are coming silently. Why? Because the music of Santaharda's ears runs on their minds. They are very silent. They are very silent. Getting some break, broken to the silence, Akbar taken the lead and talked to Tansen that, "Ustadji, why can't you sing like him? Why can't you sing like your guru?" Then Tansen smiled and said, "Shahanshah, I sing at your command, the command of the Emperor of Hindustan." Shahanshah, then Tansen replied, "Shahanshah, I'm a normal one. I can sing under the control of you, the Emperor of Hindustan. But Guruji sings for the one who is the King of Kings. But my Guru, Santahardas, sings under the control of Kings of Kings. Who is Vandar Emperor? His music springs from the depth of his soul, free and unasked for. How can my music hope to reach those heights? But my Guru Santaharda sings under the control of Kings of Kings. Who is the Kings of Kings? God. Okay? I can't reach the depth and level of my King." He tried to sing. He sung with his soul. He sang with his music depths. "I will not sing like him and I can't reach the hopes." Just like that, Tansen replied to Akbar. Okay, children? And this story was mentioned by Swapna Datta. Swapna Datta. Okay, children? Thank you for watching my video, everyone. Thank you.